Flux operation video. This video operation uses AE channel experiment as a sample. We prepare the experimental supplies. Flux fixture, rubber gasket, screw, flux wire, test piece after treatment, sodium hydroxide, sodium chloride, temperature sensor. After preparation, we start to assemble the flux fixture. First, we take out the fixture. Put the rubber gaskets on the top of the mesh. Put the test piece in the groove of the rubber gasket. Close the other fixture. After closing, we insert the 4 screws into the 4 小时 holes of the fixture. Unscrew the nut. Take off one of the gasket back after passing through the 2 fixtures. After tightening the 4 screws, we equip a funnel. Inject sodium chloride into the negative electrode, that is, the test piece with the black clamp. If leakage is found during the injection, tighten the 4 screws again. The solution should cover the round hole at the top of the mesh. Take out the funnel and rinse it thoroughly. We put the funnel in the fixture of the positive electrode. We put sodium hydroxide. Inject into the specimen with the red chalk. Similarly, the solution should cover the round hole at the top of the mesh. After the injection, the specimen of 1 channel is ready. Next, we start the experiment on the power of the instrument. We connect the wire and temperature sensor prepared in advance to the host. Insert the wire into channel E. Insert the temperature sensor into the hole that displays the temperature. After the connection is completed, we insert the red end of the wire into the fixture prepared in advance. The positive pole is red head to red head. Insert the black head into the negative pole, that is, black head to black head. After the connection is completed, we choose to start the experiment on the instrument interface. We turn on channel E. Next, the laboratory time is 6 小时 hours. Next, there is current in channel E at this time. Prove that the experiment starts. After the 6-hour experiment is over, we export the data. Choose to export data. We take out the U-disc brought by the instrument. Insert it into the USB port. After the U-disc status display is completed, we adjust the file number. Click to export data. This experiment is completed. Before starting the experiment, first, we prepare the experimental supplies. Solution: vacuum pump oil, test block, 2 wrenches, empty barrel larger than 25 L. Before the experiment begins, we will add the vacuum pump oil delivered with the equipment into the vacuum pump and open the equipment door. Unscrew it counterclockwise. Oil filling hole. When refueling, it must not be higher than the upper liquid level line, nor lower than the lower liquid level line. It is best to add to the middle and screw the lid back after refueling. Close the equipment door. Open the vacuum pot lid of the equipment. After opening the lid, first, put the cut test block vertically into the vacuum pot. Leave a gap between the test pieces. Do not block the water outlet in the middle. Do not touch. The water level sensor must not be higher than the water level sensor. After placing, put the lid back. Before you put the lid back on, first check the crust of the lid, whether the plane faces up. After confirmation, put the lid back on the pot. When fixing the lid of the vacuum pot, pay attention to the nut to be tightened in diagonal balance. After tightening, tie a heavy weight to the liquid inlet pipe. Put in the bottom. Close vacuum chamber valve and vacuum pan valve. After closing the valve, connect power. Turn on the device. According to experimental standards, set the corresponding experimental parameters. After setting, start the test. Check whether the test is running properly. See if the table on the vacuum pan moves normally. After the experiment, loosen the lid screws. Open the lid and release valve. Open the pot. Open the drain valve on the left side of the device. Take out the sample after the water is drained. Dry the pan with a soft cloth. This operation video ends.